Hi everyone. In this video, I'm reviewing MosaLingua, a language learning app that focuses heavily on vocabulary building and practical phrases. I've been exploring how it works for learning Italian, so let's take a closer look. MosaLingua started out as a simple flashcard app and has grown into a full-featured platform for learning Italian. Its method, called Mosa Learning, is based on spaced repetition, active recall, and the Pareto principle. Basically, focusing on the most useful 20% of words and phrases that you'll use in 80% of conversations. The first thing I noticed is that you can choose your level, from complete beginner up to advanced, and also select your reason for learning. For example, I picked travel, and the app instantly gave me relevant vocabulary for that context. Flashcards are the heart of MosaLingua. Each card has audio from a native speaker, the translation, and options to spell the word, see an image, or even record yourself to compare pronunciation. I liked that I could decide whether to keep a word in my learning stack or mark it as learned, which kept my progress personalized. On average, I could learn or review about 10 to 20 Italian words or phrases per day without feeling overwhelmed. MosaLingua also offers spoken dialogues, short conversations on everyday topics to help train listening skills. Reading activities, graded texts, from beginner-friendly pieces to more advanced stories. Grammar and pronunciation lessons. Clear explanations with audio or video, although I felt they could use more practice exercises afterward. Hands-free mode. Loops of Italian and your native language for learning while commuting or multitasking. Video content. Authentic Italian videos with subtitles in Italian, English, or both. Mosa Chat AI, an AI tutor that chats with you, corrects mistakes, and lets you save new words directly to flashcards. Mosa Discovery, a browser extension to save Italian words from websites, YouTube, or Netflix for later review in the app. While MosaLingua is packed with content, the interface can feel a little dated compared to more gamified apps. Navigation isn't always intuitive, and some features, like the mini-courses, Mosa Series, or Mosa Speak, are buried inside menus. If you're motivated and don't mind a simpler design, it's easy to focus on the learning itself. But if you like bright visuals, progress streaks, or rewards, MosaLingua may feel a bit plain. Overall, I found MosaLingua to be an effective tool for quickly building useful Italian vocabulary and phrases. Thanks to its spaced repetition system, and a variety of resources like flashcards, dialogues, videos, and reading materials. I especially appreciated the AI tutor for its personalized corrections, which made the learning feel more interactive. That said, the interface can feel a bit clunky and outdated at times, and the lack of gamification or highly interactive elements might make it less appealing if you prefer a more engaging game-like experience. Some features are also buried in menus, which can make them harder to find. Still, if you're self-motivated and value a straightforward, research-backed approach, MosaLingua can be a solid choice, especially when combined with other resources for speaking practice and cultural immersion. And if you're exploring tools for learning Italian, there's another option that I think is also worth checking out. And that's Think in Italian. Think in Italian is an all-in-one platform that helped me go from memorizing words to actually speaking Italian and thinking in it. It combines structured audio lessons, bite-sized bilingual readings, and a super customizable AI tutor that makes learning feel natural and personal. Let's start with the audio lessons. These are made up of bilingual sentences, like mini dialogues, that show you exactly how to say things in Italian. They're organized into 3 parts, A, B, and C. So it's not just repetition, it actually builds your understanding gradually. I can control the playback speed, adjust the volume, and if I ever get stuck, I just click on any word or sentence and it breaks it down for me. It's a great way to learn grammar patterns and vocabulary without the overwhelm. Honestly, I started recognizing sentence structures and building phrases way faster than with traditional lessons. It just feels more intuitive, more like how we learned our first language. Then there are the readings, which are quick 1-minute stories, jokes, dialogues, or even songs. Each one comes with Italian and English audio and a bilingual transcript, so I can listen, follow along, and really see how the language works in context. There are over 1,200 of these, and I love how I can fit them into my day, even when I just have 5 minutes. Now this is where it gets really cool, the AI tutor. This is where I get to talk in Italian, either by typing or recording my voice, and get instant feedback. I can have a casual chat, practice a role-play situation like ordering food or booking a hotel, or even review the lessons I've completed. It adjusts to my level, and the suggestions it gives help me express myself more naturally. Sometimes I'm not sure what to say next, so I just click a button, and it suggests sentences to keep the conversation going. There's even a settings menu where I can change the tutor's personality, tweak how it interacts with me, and see my conversation history. After a few messages, I can even download my chats to track progress over time, which I find super useful. So yeah, between the structured lessons, bite-sized content, and the AI conversation tool, Think in Italian really covers all the angles. It's been the most well-rounded and flexible platform I've used so far to actually speak Italian, not just study it. If you're looking for something that's intuitive, fun, and helps you practice real-world Italian every day, I'd definitely say give it a try. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out.